density of the substance. You know density D is equal to mass upon volume. Here we need to determine mass of one particle. You know that mass of 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 particles is equal to atomic mass or molecular mass. So mass of one particle is equal to m upon 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. This you can take as m upon n naught. Suppose total number of particle in the unit cell. That is represented by Z. Then mass of particle in unit cell is equal to Z into m upon n naught. Volume of unit cell as you know, we are doing work for only cubical unit cell in this chapter. All the calculation part that is based on cubical unit cell. For all the cubical unit cell, volume is equal to AQ. So D is equal to Zm upon Z, capital M it will be, upon N naught into AQ gram per centimeter cube, where M is equal to atomic or molecular masses, in general atomic mass in the numerical. Enough numerical based on the single formula you have in the board examination. And N naught is equal to 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. And A in centimeter. A will be in centimeter. These parameters should be well known to you. Note down. If you know that A in centimeter and D is in general 99% for the board examination, D is given in gram per centimeter cube. Means the parameters you will get for A. A आप picometer में मिल रहा है आपको. Then convert in centimeter, not in meter, because D generally given in gram per centimeter cube. I hope you understand. Today we are doing work for packing efficiency of unit cell. Packing efficiency is equal to volume occupied by particles divided by volume of unit cell. So for this situation, try to understand this, that when four spheres are closer and closer, then also there is a little bit gap. It means though they are closely packed, all the unit cells are closely packed, but still some volume is not occupied by the particle. There is a difference between the volume of particles in the unit cell and total volume of the unit cell. The ratio of this part is known as packing efficiency. When it is multiplied by 100, then the answer will come in percentage. So let us do work for the primitive unit cell or simple unit cell. In the simple unit cell, you have such type of particle arrangement. 1, 2, 3, 4. At each corner, one particle. So for our convenience, we have drawn too far, but center of these two particles, the space between the center of these two particles is equal to A, that is edge length. So here AB is equal to edge length. Always represented as small a. And AC is equal to radius of one sphere. CB is equal to also R. And AB is equal to AC plus CB. AB is edge length, small a is equal to R plus R. A is equal to 2R. Now, packing efficiency is equal to, now you know, in the simple unit cell, number of particles is equal to 1. So, volume occupied by the particle is equal to 1 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by volume occupied by unit cell. So, unit cell is cubical, so it is A cube into 100. Put the value of A. Value of A is equal to 2R. 4 upon 3 pi r cube into 2R whole cube into 100. R and R will cancel out. And when we do the calculation of pi, 4, 3 and 100, it will come as 52.4%. So 52.4% part is occupied by the atom, rest of the part is vacant. Now, the same type of calculation we will do for BCC. Packing efficiency for face-centered cubical cell. For face-centered cubical cell, the same packing efficiency formula we will use, and you know total number of atoms in FCC is 4. And you can see in cube A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, E, F, G, and H, that we have selected the triangle ABF. In triangle ABF, you are observing that this one sphere, two sphere and third sphere, these are in contact, and that is the diagonal of face. So, diagonal of face of the cube is equal to BF. Okay, suppose this is the cube, then we are taking this diagonal. Definitely this diagonal is BF. Now, what will be, how much is the BF? BF square is equal to AB square plus AF square. You know that AB and AF are equal and equal to edge length. AB and AF, all the edge of cube are similar. So this one A, and this one is the diagonal we are determining. So put the values. So BF square is equal to A square plus A square is equal to 2A square. BF is equal to root 2 A by taking root. Now how much is BF? BF is the addition of 1r plus 2r plus 1r. माने एक रेडियस स्क्वायर की दो रेडियन यानी डायमीटर इस स्क्वायर का एंड दिस वन इज अनदर रेडियन. So 4r. Now you can write 4r is equal to root 2a. It is the relationship between r and a for this that we will use in our further derivation. Okay, so 4r is equal to root 2a. Now we will proceed for working efficiency of face-centered structure according to the formula PE is equal to volume occupied by the particles. Total number of particles in face-centered structure, how much? That is 4. So 4 into volume of 1 square, 4 by 3 pi r cube upon a cube into 100. So again packing efficiency, 4 4s are 16 pi r cube upon a. What is a? 4r upon root 2. A is equal to 4r upon root 2. Put the value of 4r upon root 2 here. 4r upon root 2 whole cube into 100. So overall calculation you will do. So 16 pi r cube upon 4 cube root 2 cube r cube cancel out. You need to calculate it and it will come nearly 74%. So these data 54.2%, 74% on tips you need to learn. So packing efficiency of face-centered cubicle cell is 74%. I hope that is enough for today. You understood?